Hey everyone, it's Mark here. I'm from the Oz DeFi Association, and this is part of the Explainer series in conjunction with the Data Science and AI Association of Australia. And I also work at Not Centralized, so we do a whole lot of stuff in emerging tech. Now, the interesting thing with the prompts that you've seen so far is that they're all about how can we actually get and build upon the knowledge that's within ChatGPT, which we're going to switch to now. We're going to do something along those lines, and it's using the knowledge there in the GPT models to actually improve the prompts that we've got. We used it last time to provide us with the next logical question, as in like if we're lost and we're going down a topic we don't even know, even if we get told what it is, we don't really know what the next logical step is, but we can use the library to get there. This one is further built on that by using the library that's in ChatGPT and the large language model that it is to figure out what is another improvement to the prompts that you've got here. So let's just paste this in and I'll read it out to you. So what we've got here, I will ask you a question, but I also want you to provide an improvement proposal prompt, IPP that we're calling it, in addition to the response. So it's going to answer the question, but it's also going to provide the IPP. The purpose of the IPP is to give the user a rewritten prompt based on their original one, but which is improved to take into account different viewpoints they may not be considering or other angles that you think that they should be thinking about for the prompt. You will do this from the viewpoint of being an all-seeing, all-knowing chatbot trained on all things that are in your training set. A bit repetitive there, but I think it gets the hint. Based on these and all future questions in this chat thread, your job is to provide the IPP to the user after answering the question, and in addition to this, you will list in dot points details of why the IPP has been suggested so that the user can gain feedback on how they could have improved their original prompt. Do you understand? Let's see if it does. So we're doing this in 3.5. We'll do it in 4 as well so it understands. So let's ask a question. So I want you to, maybe this is your prompt. I want you to write an article on the side effects of eating a donut whilst swimming. Let's see what it does. So here it's starting to write the article. Okay, so safety hazards, unwanted attention from aquatic life. And then it goes, here is the improvement proposal prompt. And it's actually giving me some details here. Consider the influence of social cultural norms, discuss strategies for individuals. Okay, this one's interesting. So that's what it does in 3.5. Let's try this again. So we'll copy that one there. Let's do it in GPT-4. And we'll just close that. So again, it understands. So we'll say, I want you to write an article about the side effects of eating a donut whilst swimming. Let's see it. Write the article first. So increased risk of whatever that was, decreased performance, water contamination, improvement proposal prompt. So it says here, explore the potential impact of different food choices on swimming performance and safety. Consider examining the effects of consuming healthier snacks that provide sustained energy and are easier to digest. Explore blah, 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 blah. And it also says here, by expanding the scope of your original prompt to explore the broader impact of food choices on swimming performance and safety, you can provide a more comprehensive and informative article for readers. So let's try that prompt, okay? So we'll probably have to try it in a different, because this one here will just continue to provide improvement proposals. So we'll do it again. Let's go to GPT-4, close the sidebar. Let's try this new prompt. So we've asked it, sure, let's take a look. So here, it's exploring more details here. So pause there, because it's probably thinking, or other people are using it a lot. So the role of nutritious snacks and digestion. Proper nutrition is crucial for swimmers as it provides the energy needed for workouts and competitions. Consuming snacks. And then it continues. So let's see what it gets to. So it's more about the role of nutrition. Now it talks about dietary choices before swimming, impact focus on safety, and more. So yeah, pretty interesting there that it goes into something in a little bit more detail. It gives feedback on what that original prompt was. We could have had another prompt there, but something fun. But definitely something to consider there is, how do you use ChatGPT or other GPT and LLM type models to basically give you feedback on the prompts that you're doing. We see all these videos about how to do better prompting and all that kind of stuff, but if you've forgotten those and you're here at the surface, the cold face of GPT, then basically just ask it itself and see if it works for you. I'm Mark, I'll see you for the next explainer.